Hello, my name is Christopher Wallace, and I'm in the contest for GetOnTheShelf.com from Walmart. And I am the inventor of the carbon monoxide detector for cars. It's an auto carbon monoxide detector. Just like homes, many homes have carbon monoxide millions times they around the world, especially in this country and maybe Canada, Mexico, or whatever. They burn carbon builds up in a lot of homes, especially homes that burn, use fireplace gas. But automobiles, every year on the news, they find out people have dies in auto accidents. So I built this device so it could be sold, purchased and put in trucks, cars, and like a person driving, they be driving, and next thing they fatigue and an accident happen. So this device goes, they can purchase it, they pull the little strips from the bottom, they put it at the highest part of the windshield, out of the way, and so a lot of people may not even notice it's there. So anytime carbon monoxide enters that vehicle, you can't smell it because it's odorless. The machine will detect it. It will go off. And I'm gonna do a little test. So to let them know, in the next few months, so far it's about 2 cigarette packs on size. Within a month, I'm gonna shrink that down, the electronics, because I'm good in a lot of electronic stuff. So I'm gonna shrink this down to about a cigarette pack size, maybe a little smaller, and it could be installed within between 3 and I'm gonna say 15 and 30 seconds, not minutes, but it could be in seconds. And I'm hoping this will work. Let the smoke, the carbon dioxide. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, go up. Come on, there it is. It will go off like that. This is the alarm, but I'm working on a voice one that will say carbon monoxide is detected. That's a second one. It'll be a voice. But right now this is even if this go off, that means carbon is detected. It's no false alarms. It only detects carbon monoxide. Not that was carbon from that match I burnt, and it went out. It did pick up a little odor and sniffed it and went off. And it's good for individuals that trying to stop smoking too, like trying to drive and smoke and finish the cigarette before they get where they going. If they try to pull a cigarette while they driving, the alarm will go off. Another safeguard: if individuals have children in the car, little children or infants, I've seen a lot of people still drive and smoke with the infants in the car, and the kids be coughing and they still driving, and even open the window, some of that smoke goes out, it still goes in that back seat. The alarm would go off and let them know carbon monoxide is in the car. Carbon is a deadly gas, odorless, and you cannot even see it. And some people may be driving and get drowsy or fatigue. It may not be from fatigue. It could be carbon they breathing in, and it does the same effects. Next thing, they runs off the road and have an accident. So this could prevent that. If this go off, it building up, all the individual know it's carbon, and to pull over, get out of the car, air the car out. And I'm hoping this get on the shelf. Thank you.